Polaris is most commonly known for producing high-quality snowmobiles, off-road vehicles, and motorcycles. We developed our first snowmobile over 65 years ago, and we've continued to develop new products and innovate ever since.
With all the hands-on assembly work that we do in the plant, we've begun using 3D printing to change the way we think about tooling solutions for what we need to solve problems that we face every day on the line. A lot of what we do works around different styles of tooling, so anything from regular hard plastic 3D printed materials up to some of their new, more innovative materials. So the biggest benefit of partnering with Stratasys and their technology is the ability to iterate on new tooling designs. Being able to come up with a design, test it, improve on it, and repeat until we get to a good final product. We install a lot of complex parts, badging, headdresses, things of that nature to our bikes. Having the ability to 3D print that complex geometry quickly and in a variety of materials gives us a lot of flexibility. We work with a lot of chrome and painted parts, and we have strict cosmetic standards that we need to hold for our customers. So this is where the elastic materials fit so well into our needs. They're soft enough to not damage our cosmetic parts, but durable enough to withstand our assembly manufacturing environment. So one of the more recent projects we worked on was our rear fender tip locator. These production quality guards have taken the place of a lot of leather and vacuum formed parts, which were very time consuming to produce.
So here at Polaris, we do incur prototype tooling costs. So what Stratasys technology has allowed us to do is not only cut those costs significantly, but also it cuts our time for tooling. It's actually been able to allow us to stretch it into other areas where we would not have previously considered 3D printing technology.
This has been a huge benefit to the team. Instead of waiting anywhere between 8 to 12 weeks, we're able to get designs within 24 hours. This lets you have more iterations on the design process up front so that you have greater confidence when you go to kick off your final tools for production. One example that we used Stratasys was with designing a new interior cup holder for our vehicle. It allowed us to see overall integration into the interior faster. Actually having physical parts to test things out goes a long way. Sometimes in CAD you don't really see a lot of the realistic benefits. So being able to see the part real life and test different scenarios and make sure that it fit into the new interior was a huge benefit for us.
We've been working with Stratasys for over 20 years, and our partnership with Stratasys allows us to have robust printing capabilities in-house, which reduces our lead time and lowers our cost.
Working with Stratasys has helped us open our minds of what's possible with very complex problems and geometries to come up with good solutions to enable productivity, quality, and speed of our manufacturing process.
The quality of Stratasys equipment gives us the confidence that we're going to get a good part the first time, every time.
The early exposure to new materials has been very helpful. So being on the front line of the new elastomer material and getting to try that and use it in production early has been super helpful.
It's really broadened our horizons on what we can do for 3D printing, applications we would not have previously considered.
At Polaris, we're really excited about the future of additive manufacturing, and we're looking forward to continuing the partnership with Stratasys.